This year, they showed us the Galaxy S24 series smartphones, which the company proudly calls the first, with the first AI smartphones. They turned out to be interesting, but unfortunately, the truly flagship chip, only the Galaxy S24 Ultra will receive it. As for the buyers of the S24, an S24 Plus received a less powerful Exynos 2400, but in the next generation of smartphones, everything will change. It's just that these changes will be for the worse. Today we'll discuss early leaks and spills related to the future flagship smartphones of Samsung. But before we start, remember to subscribe to us. Recently we were shown the Galaxy S24 series smartphones, and after the fabulous decision that was in the line, again the disappointment awaited us with the S23, the Galaxy S23 smartphones. And the S24 Plus received the Exynos 2400 processor. As reported by the VCC F-Tech portal, the Korean giant plans next year to completely give up chips. Qualcomm by installing chips in all Galaxy S25 series smartphones. Exynos 2500, the decision, I'll say right off the bat, is controversial, especially considering that traditionally Exynos chips are weaker than Qualcomm solution. For instance, in the popular benchmark 1.2.2, the Exynos 24, as we seen to in India, it was flawless. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, about 15%, yeah, not a huge discrepancy. But it does exist, and by the way, if you have an Exynos chip installed in your smartphone, write your reactor in the comments. And the genuine experience of interacting with this chip. Is its performance enough for you? Does your smartphone get hot? Anyway, drop a comment. We'll definitely read everything and reply. Forex, yes, in his Twitter account according to his data. The situation with processors will be as follows. The company's flexible smartphones will receive chips from Galaxy S smartphones will run on Exynos chips, and the more affordable Galaxy S line will also use Exynos chips. Galaxy A will be sold with MediaTek chip and Exynos. The reason for this decision hasn't been disclosed. A reputable insider from the Samsung world also delighted us with information about the design of the S25 series smartphones. According to him, the gadget's design will undergo significant changes. Changes are coming. The reason is that Ilwat will be working on the design. Lee, former Mercedes-Benz designer, his mission is to reimagine the Galaxy brand's image, so expect major shifts in the world. But that's not all. As insider Ragnos reports on his Twitter account, the Galaxy S27 and S25 Plus smartphones will no longer be in use. Use, I quote, the terrible Gen 3 sensor. Instead, they will be equipped with a sensor from Sony. It's expected that this change will positively affect photo quality. The main thing is for all these innovations, it didn't affect the price because now, to be honest, Samsung smartphones are extremely expensive, especially considering competitors among Chinese vendors. And Google, which offers Google Pixel 8 and Google Pixel 8, click bargain, that hurts, at more pleasant prices than Samsung's flagships. Remember, these are just early rumors. There's just under a year until the smartphone announcements, so don't take them too seriously. Worth considering thoroughly. What innovations are you looking forward to in the Galaxy S25 series? As always, we are eager to hear your thoughts in the video comments. We definitely read all comments and are happy to respond to the most interesting ones. And the most important thing you can do, to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on fresh videos. You've been with Kobe Vastu and Ton on the mic. Catch you later and have a great day.